I'm not getting no spark. It's been sitting for a couple months.
Okay, and has anything been replaced for this so far?
Well, I mean, I just put in the clutch.
And did it happen after putting the clutch in?
Yeah.
Okay. So normally, you're sure the fuses are good, right?
Yeah, the fuses are good, and the coils are good. Maybe the crankshaft positioning sensor or something.
Yeah. So on this engine, I believe the computer needs to see the cam sensor and the crank sensor in sync with each other in order to generate spark.
Okay.
So, if we didn't accidentally leave anything loose, we don't suspect the timing is off for any reason. I suppose it could be a coincidence. You could certainly. Do you have access to a scanner that can read live data?
Yeah, I believe I do.
What you can do is you can actually check to see if there's engine RPM on your scan tool while cranking. It should read about 200, 300 RPM or so when cranking. And I believe that comes right from the crank sensor itself. And if not, well then, yeah, we got to go ahead and check that crank sensor. Go ahead and replace that crank sensor. Check the wiring to and from the crank sensor. So you can start there. That'd be a good place to start.
All right, sounds good, man.